Hello, ladies. Okay, today I want to talk to you about the next step. What's the next step after you have your website ready? What's the next step after you figure out your target market, your audience, your niche, so to speak? The next step is obviously to go and market to them, right? And that's again where a lot of women get stuck. How do you go about this whole internet marketing thing? There are a lot of free videos, blog posts, articles, courses that teach you how to create the right kind of blog post, or how to blog, how to create a podcast, how to create free videos, how to do this and how to do that, etc., etc. And if you were to follow their advice, well, you'd be pulled in a million different directions. And if you've been in the online space a while, you would also notice that much of that advice doesn't make sense. It doesn't work. There are lots of people who have created hundreds, if not thousands, of blog posts and are still not able to make enough money off of their business. And I want to make sure you don't fall into that trap, right? So what's the next step after your website? It's creating marketing content that not just connects, but also converts. The buzzword in the industry these days is to create a lot of great free content that provides a lot of value. That is the know, like, trust factor. And yet what people forget or often don't focus on is the marketing content, right? You have to actually write out those sales funnels, to create those sales funnels, to create not just any kind of freebie or any kind of blog posts, but ones that actually drive or rather lead people to your paid offerings. And that's what this bootcamp is designed to help you do. Okay, I'm going to share the link later on in the comments below, but I just want to give you a quick description of what this bootcamp is going to be all about. Okay, before we go ahead, just for a minute, imagine you log on to work in the morning. If you're like me, you know, the laptop entrepreneur lifestyle, you log into your computer and you have all your marketing posts for that day ready. All you have to do is copy and paste or hit publish, right? You have your Facebook posts, your blog posts for that week, your newsletter, all your marketing content ready, and all you have to do is copy, paste, and hit publish. Imagine for a minute also that content is so amazing that as soon as you send it out, people start calling in, connecting with you, and asking about your paid services, so that you have a full client list. Sounds amazing, right? That is the goal of this bootcamp. I know those were rather superlative words, but bear with me. This is going to be an 8-week program where I'm going to help you create what I call content sets. You're going to choose 3 of your paid services or offerings. This could be a paid program, a service, one-on-ones, group call, passive income, whatever it is. You're going to choose 3 particular programs or services that you want to focus on during this bootcamp. And for each of those services, I'm going to help you create a content set. What do I mean by content set? It's the entire pipeline, okay? We're going to create your Facebook and social media posts that will drive traffic or will drive people to your blog posts. These blog posts in turn that drive people to your freebies, to sign up for your freebies, and then an email sequence that takes them from your freebies, that nurtures them and leads them up to your paid offerings. Okay, so that is the goal or the structure of the bootcamp. We're going to do this over 8 weeks, and on how we're going to run it. Well, every weekend I am going to be sending you a video with the course material for that week, what you need to do and how to do it. And then middle of the week, so you have a few days of implementation, and then midweek, we're going to get on a live group coaching call where I'm going to review your content to make sure that it is on target, to make sure that it really ties in with the set, that it ties in with the purpose, which is, of course, to connect and convert with your audience. Okay, so it's going to be structured over 8 weeks. Weekends, you will get the videos, the course videos for that week with instructions on what you need to do so that you can start creating the content. And midweek, we'll get on to group coaching calls where I can give you live feedback. Now, if you've seen anything about The website bootcamps, you know that the live calls, the live feedback is the best part of these bootcamps. Okay, I not only answer your questions, make sure you're on track, but I also hold you accountable. I support you, and that really is what students have told me have been the best part of the website bootcamps. This is the next step, the next level. Okay, so week 1, we are going to get the foundation right. We're going to polish up your core marketing message, streamline your offerings, and create an outline for your funnels. Week 2, we're going to actually work backwards from your core offerings. We're going to figure out what kind of freebies you should have to lead people up to those core offerings and how your funnel should look. Week 2, you're going to go back and create your funnels, and on the live calls, we're going to review your funnels. Week 3, we are going to create the blog posts or the video blogs, the blogs or the vlogs that lead into those freebies and those funnels. Week 4, we are going to create your Facebook profile, or create or update your Facebook profile page and or your group. And we are going to create the Facebook posts that lead up to those blogs and the freebies, etc. Okay. So in 4 weeks, you will have one content set, and it'll give you an idea of how things work and how to go about creating your marketing message for this entire set. We'll have a 1-week break for Christmas because, hey, no one wants to be working on Christmas, right? And then we'll get back, and the next 4 weeks will be focused on implementation. We'll work on creating the other 2 content sets. No more new stuff, as in no more new video lessons, but a lot of going back and implementing. Okay, week 5 and 6, another content set. Week 7 and 8, another content set. This program is driven for execution, and all through I will hold you accountable, and I will support you, I will guide you, I will make sure that everything ties in and fits properly. Most other programs, especially online courses, they give you bits and pieces of the puzzle, right? And then you are left to figure out how those pieces come together, or how to make sense of those pieces and how to fit them together. In this bootcamp, that's exactly what I help you do. Put together, I not only give you pieces of the puzzle, I show you how they come together, how to put them together to create the bigger picture. Okay, so that was a lot about this bootcamp. If you are watching live and if you have any questions, please share them in the comments below. Or rather, if you have any questions about this bootcamp at all, please share in the comments below. I'm happy to answer any questions. And if you want to talk about it, just send me a direct message and we'll get on a call and I will help you through it. The boot enrollment closes 25th of November and the bootcamp starts 27th of November. So it's just a few days. I'm doing a small beta run of this bootcamp. It would be max 5 to 10 women. And we already have 4 women on board. So I'm hoping to get another few ladies on board over the next few days. But it's going to be a small, tight-knit group so that I can give you all the attention you need and deserve on those group calls. Okay? So if you are thinking about, or rather, if you want to up-level your marketing in 2018, get in touch with me. Let's see whether this program is right for you. And if you know other women in business for whom this would be a good fit, please do put us in touch. It's just a few days. Cart is open for just a few days. The enrollment closes on 25th of November and we start on 27th of November. So if you've been looking for a sign or some help to up your marketing in 2018, this is it. Message me, comment below, let's get in touch, let's connect. Okay? Thanks for joining me on this FB Live, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.